Welcome to Living Waters Landscaping. Follow along as we create this backyard paradise. All right, this is Jacob with Living Waters Landscaping. We're heading to get a new job started. Basically what we're going to be doing is some nice kind of Japanese style kind of garden here, a little Zen garden, some pathway work. We're going to do some trees, some feature trees and boulders up here, and probably just seed this with no-mow fescue. Same thing in here, some kind of Zen garden, mostly kind of rock mulch, kind of Japanese style, a couple boulders. We will be installing a path from here to there, so that'll be cool. And then we are going to come over and tie the deck into a really nice dry-laid Flagstone Patio covering that. So we got all our boulders and stuff back here and our stone. So we're trying to get our gravel prep here, get some support boulders in. Getting this project rolling. This is going to be a 15 by 30 patio on a slope, so we're getting some boulders set here to retain the patio up here. I didn't know you wanted a video. Okay. All right, setting the first stone. This boulder wall is going to be wrapping around to here. Oh, don't spill gas again, Chewy. Dang it. But it's going to look good. We're getting our stone cut in. It's looking pretty good so far. We're getting this corner of the patio set. It's coming out nice tight cuts. This will all be level going that way, and the pitch 1/4 inch per foot going that way. So you got about 4 or 5 inch drop here. Check out the patio? Nope. See ya. All right, it's a beautiful day. This patio is looking awesome. Getting everything cut in tight. Loving this stone. It's looking really good. Clients are happy, we're happy, so there we go. Alright, so we're getting a little rain here, taking a little rain break, but we're working on it. It's coming out, getting this patio ready and set. We're happy with it, and it's all tight and nice. Almost there. Not bad for now. I'm pretty good, happy with it. Yeah, well, got a couple more days left on the patio, but it's happening. And we are gonna start working around the back here, doing this kind of Japanese style garden. Got some pretty nice boulders staged here. Again, these will kind of just be feature boulders here. Getting our grade finished out through here, just drainage stuff. Yeah, coming together. Gonna be nice. All right, last little piece going in. This is the last piece. Still a little messy, we gotta clean up and sweep in. It's always nice to see. All right, we got it pretty much wrapped up here. Everything's swept in, cut in. I think we're gonna end up doing river rock around the edges here. instead of doing a planting bed. I think that'll be nice. But yeah, came out great. Working on getting our river rock swale set in. That's looking really good. Getting ready to start doing the stepping stones, tying into everything, and then work our way backwards out of here. Okay, this is looking awesome. It's coming out together great. We're getting some really nice boulders set in. Stepping stones looking good. We are ready for playing some mulch and gravel here. Got this edging done. Looking pretty good. All this is set and done. Looking good. We're gonna put some lights in here. And not bad. Like that boulder. All right. Wrap up here in this job. Coming together good. Plants are in, stepping stones, mulch. Seed needs to come in a little bit up there, but it's coming in at least. Got a nice little stylized garden over here. Looking nice. Visit livingwaterslandscaping.com for more information.